COVID-19 vaccine has been developed in less than 2 years. And do you know how much usually it takes time to develop a vaccine? 20 years. It is 10 times less than the time that we previously develop a vaccine. So this all thanks to a technology called as CRISPR. And the inventor of this technology is the Jennifer Doudna, the Nobel-winning scientist behind CRISPR technology, the revolutionary gene editing technology that is changing everything from how we fight diseases to how we imagine the future of humanity. And here is the 5 key insights from her life story. Number 1, stay curiously playful. When Jennifer was a little girl in Hawaii, she was always asking questions. Why is the sky blue? Why is the ocean green? Why even is life is existed? While most of the kids got told to stop asking so many silly questions, she never did. And that curiosity fueled her path to world-changing science. The author Walter Isaacson points out that all the greats he studied, Da Vinci, Einstein, Steve Jobs, kept their childlike sense of a wonder alive. You don't have to be genius to do that. Asking questions about obvious, look closer, and you might just find something surprising, even life-changing. Number 2, curiosity alone isn't enough. Be useful. Curiosity is powerful, but it's only the start. You have got to take what you learn and apply it. Jennifer and her team often talked about moving ideas from the bench to bedside, turning scientific discoveries into something that improves lives. Benjamin Franklin lived by this rule too. He asked, "What good is it?" Then flew a kite in the rain and discovered how to pull electricity from lightning. You don't need to risk a thunderstorm, but whenever you need to learn something new, ask yourself, how can I use this to make a difference? Number 3, know when to compete and when to cooperate. Competition can spark breakthroughs. In 2012, Jennifer's team raced against Feng Zhang team at MIT and Harvard to see who could use CRISPR to edit human DNA first. That rivalry drove innovation. But when pandemic hit, everything changed. Both teams put aside their competition to focus on a shared goal, using their research to fight COVID-19. That collaboration made their discoveries more impactful. The lesson: push hard when competition drives progress, but know when it's time to shake hands and team up to solve something bigger than yourself. Number 4, persistence breaks barriers. Jennifer's story is one of resilience. In high school, she was told girls don't do science. Later, she was excluded from male-dominated world of Human Genome Project. But she kept going, diving into RNA research with 2 female colleagues. Over the years, she realized RNA wasn't just interesting, it was transformative. It what helps build proteins. It could be the key to groundbreaking tools like vaccines and gene editing. Her persistence not only earned her a Nobel Prize but also revolutionized medicine. Number 5, connect technology to humanity. This is where story gets philosophical. After Jennifer cracked the code on gene editing, she had a nightmare. She was in the room with someone eager to use her technology only to realize it was Adolf Hitler. That dream shifted her perspective. She realized it wasn't enough to create powerful tools. She had to ensure they were used responsibly. She brought scientists together to set ethical guidelines for gene editing, showcasing how crucial it is to think beyond invention to impact on humanity. The bigger picture here is Walter Isaacson asked Steve Jobs how he wanted to be remembered. Jobs said, "Life is like a river. At first, you need to think it's about what you take out. The thing you make, learn, acquire. But in the end, it's about what you put into the river. The ideas you contribute for future generations." So that's the thread running through all the Isaacson subjects, from Ben Franklin to Jennifer Doudna. All these people are connected to their passion to something greater than themselves. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end.